Hey, I'm Gavin, acupuncturist and TCM practitioner, and if your labs keep coming back normal, but your hair is still thinning, I want to talk to you about something called subclinical depletion. Because in clinic, I see this all the time. Someone's losing hair, feeling tired, and struggling with sleep or digestion, or both, but their blood work totally fine, so what gives? Here's the thing, most standard labs are looking for disease, not dysfunction. They're checking if you're in danger, not whether you're operating at your best. But hair growth, it's a luxury item for the body. Your system only prioritizes it after everything else is running smoothly. So if you're dealing with things like low energy, poor sleep, weak digestion, cold hands and feet, brain fog, anxiety, hair thinning, or slow regrowth, and your labs are still normal, you might be in that gray zone. Not sick, but not well nourished either. In Chinese medicine, we call this a deficiency of qi, blood, or essence. Basically, your reserves are low. And when your reserves are low, your body has to triage. Hair growth is the first to go. Think of it like this. You're not broken, but you're running on fumes. And your hair is one of the first places it shows. So what's the solution? It's not about chasing lab numbers, it's about restoring function. That means improving digestion and nutrient absorption, blood circulation to the scalp, nervous system regulation, sleep, and recovery. That's the work your body actually needs to regrow hair naturally. And that's exactly what I walk you through in my root cause guide. If you felt dismissed, gaslit, or stuck in that everything's normal but nothing feels right space, you're not imagining it. You're just in a place most standard testing doesn't reach. You can grab my full recovery guide below, the same one I use with clients in clinic. And remember, your hair is a mirror of your internal health. When you rebuild the inside, growth becomes possible again. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.